Good morning, students. Let's solve a database revision worksheet. Let's start with the first one. It's telling me to open a database name race.accdb. This is called as an extension of the database. You need to locate the particular folder in which you can see the file. Once you open the file, you need to click on enable content. If you cannot able to see a table, you can right click and click on open. Now you can see the content of the table over here. The first thing is set enter ID as a primary key. To set a primary key, you need to go to the design view. In a design view, select that particular field which is asked for the primary key. At the top in the title and menu bar, you can see a primary key option. Click on it. You can see a key is set. Please press save button at the top in the title bar. Next, it is asking you to create a form based on the race table. So here the table is race given. Click on create form wizard. Now please note that is it asking you a particular field in the form? As per this, no. So it's clearly stating that all the fields. So choose all the fields by clicking on double arrow. Click on next. By default we choose column format only. Next, here the name is given of the title as top riders. Please make sure that if any title is given, try to keep the same title for the form until and unless there is no other form name to be asked. Use top rider and click on modify the form design. Click on finish. Why modify the form design? Because there is some changes that we need to make. Here the first thing, set the background color of a header as black. This is a header. We are not changing the background of a particular title because it is mentioned set a background color header as black. Also you can see the title of the form is top rider over here. Click on the background, go to format. Here you can see background color, choose black. That's what it has been asked. Next, change the text font as Verdana and color as yellow. So choose the text. Here you can go to the format tab again. Just type Verdana, you can see it. Same thing, change the font color. Change the font color as yellow. Here they have not mentioned of the size of the font, so we are not changing. Make sure the position of a title should be in right. So simply drag and put it on the right hand side. That's it. Once you are done, again press Ctrl S. I hope up to this it is clear. Now it is asking me to enter the following details as a new record in the race table with the help of a form. So form is having different view. We are using a form view. It helps me out. It's telling me that race is already open. So I just need to close the race table in order to enter any of the data. I'll go to form view. At the bottom you can see an arrow with a star on it. It helps you out to enter a blank record. So first enter a ID XC0657, name, region, and add all the details as given in the paper. So as you have seen, everything is done over here. And now you have to say license as yes. So just put a tick. Again click on save. Your record is saved. You can go to the new record. To see the record that has been added, you can go to the race table and check with the search options. Once it's done, it is asking you to produce a query based on the race table. The same race table you need to choose. Click on create query wizard. We'll use simple query wizard. Click on OK. Here please check the table is race. In this you have to make sure that which are the field it is asking me to display. So first it's first name and then the last name. Make sure it's there in the particular order. First name, last name, club, race time, birth date and age Jan. That's it. Only these fields are required in this particular order. But again, here these are the fields which is visible. But if you see here, license is there which is not here in our data, but it's there for the query condition. Same for the labs. So we'll add both of them. We'll add license first and then we'll add labs. Click on next. Here, is there any of the name given? The table name given as race data. You need to get on detail, give it a name as race data and click on modify. Make sure it's not having a dot inside. Click on modify and finish. Now when you see here, first thing you have to do is, as these are the only fields which is visible, so here license and lapsa should not be visible, so you have to uncheck. That means when you run the query, you will not able to see this two particular fields. So first criteria is the club should be pro cycle racing or independent. Whenever you are using an or for the club in a criteria field, over here you can write pro cycle or independent. When you click at the next, you can see the comma, inverted comma has come, or will not have inverted comma, and then you can see independent. That's the first. Second is license is yes. As license field is a boolean, yes or no, so you will not add inverted comma, you will only write yes without inverted comma. And for labs it is asking 3 or more, so 3 or more is greater than equal to 3. So here you have done with 3 condition or criteria you have set. It is asking you to sort the data first in ascending order of first name. Please do not write in ascending order. In a sorting you have to write ascending for the first name and then for the race time again ascending. Once you are done, click on run. You can see all the tables, the data is correct. Just click on save. You have to save the data and you are done with your entire database revision. Please follow this particular step and make sure that you check the fields for the query which are available, which are visible for the user and which are not visible. Thank you so much.